Gabe back here with a special edition of Reading Radio. Going to be a multiple part series of one of my favorite books ever, Sad Animal Facts. Today we're going to go through just two sections that are going to allow us to learn some very interesting things about animals. First, reptiles and amphibians. An alligator's brain weighs less than an Oreo. Long-tailed skinks eat their own eggs. Frogs can close their ears. Turtles breathe out of their butts. Pit vipers have sensors on their mouths. Ugh. Marine iguanas sneeze out salt when they eat too much of it. I feel like I do that too. Fire salamanders eat their siblings. Crocodiles lived with dinosaurs. Look at that. Water-holding frogs eat their own skin for nutrients. When star tortoise eggs hatch at cold temperatures, more males are born, and at warm temperatures, more females are born. Garden lizards eat their own tails for calcium. Sea turtles never meet their moms. And finally, strawberry poisoned dart frogs feed their unfertilized eggs to hatched babies. That's kind of weird. So that's reptiles and amphibians. But now we get to learn about cetaceans and pinnipeds, also known as marine mammals. Baby whales gain 200 pounds a day, the exact amount that I feel I gain while stuck in self-quarantine. Walruses breathe on the ocean floor to uncover food hidden in the sand. When early ocean explorers thought they saw mermaids, they were actually looking at manatees. Whales that sing in the wrong key get lost and are alone in the ocean. Narwhal means corpse whale because of their blotchy, translucent skin. Monk seals can't dream underwater. Only half a dolphin's brain sleeps at a time. Harp seal pups are abandoned on beaches at birth, and 30% don't survive. That will do it for cetaceans and pinnipeds. This has been part one of reading Sad Animal Facts. Next time we will dive into birds. This has been a special edition of Reading Radio. See more, mix941.com. Click watch.